here we are with the AT9440F Echo. It is one of the best Avantgarde Pro lineup 90cm extractors we have. It is only available in 90cm, by the way. Now, what makes this extractor so special is this lovely party trick. When you turn it on, the whole thing opens up for you and automatically starts on the first stage. Now, of course, you have 3 stages to choose from: low, medium, and high, with the most powerful one on level 3 moving a staggering 1,250 cubic meters of air per hour. That is only if you're using the ducting out method, which of course is what we recommend, whereas we do have the recirculation method that utilizes charcoal filters that go over the motor, but reduces the amount of air it can move through it to 1,000 cubic meters per hour. But not to worry, I do think that is enough for most applications. And of course, there is a timer. This cooker hood has inside of it a lifetime usage metal grease trap filter, which you can take out once every 2 or 3 months and run it through the dishwasher because it is dishwasher safe. With that, it is also a good idea to, if you are using the Odour recirculation method, to replace the charcoal filters once every year or 2, and we have those available for you. With that, thank you very much, and I look forward to having you as our esteemed customer.